To use EasyPesa on a Jazz SIM, start by ensuring you have a Jazz SIM card and a registered EasyPesa account. If you don't have an EasyPesa account, you can register by dialing the EasyPesa helpline or visiting the nearest EasyPesa shop. First, dial the EasyPesa code on your Jazz SIM, which is 3737, and follow the prompts to access the EasyPesa menu. From the menu, you can perform various transactions such as sending money, paying bills, and buying mobile load. To send money, select the Send Money option and enter the recipient's EasyPesa account number or their mobile number if they have an EasyPesa account. Enter the amount you want to send and confirm the transaction. You will receive a confirmation message once the transaction is successful. To pay bills, select the Pay Bills option and choose the bill you want to pay, such as your electricity or gas bill. Enter the bill amount and confirm the transaction. You will receive a confirmation message once the transaction is successful. To buy mobile load, select the Buy Load option and enter the amount you want to buy. Confirm the transaction and you will receive a confirmation message once the transaction is successful. It is essential to keep your EasyPesa account and Jazz SIM card secure by using a PIN code and keeping your account details confidential. You should also regularly check your account balance and transaction history to ensure that all transactions are legitimate. In case of any issues or concerns, you can contact the EasyPesa helpline or visit the nearest EasyPesa shop for assistance. The EasyPesa helpline is available 24/7 and the staff is trained to assist you with any queries or issues you may have. By following these steps and best practices, you can use EasyPesa on your Jazz SIM safely and securely. Remember to always keep your account details confidential and regularly check your account balance and transaction history to ensure that all transactions are legitimate.